Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fun City Resort Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Featuring an on-site spa, casino, arcade, bowling, laser tag and go-kart track, this Burlington, Iowa resort has several restaurants and free Wi-Fi access. The family-friendly Fun City Resort Hotel and 21 and over Catfish Bend Inn and Spa are 5 minutes drive east from the Mississippi River and Illinois-Iowa border. Cable TV is included in every air-conditioned room at Fun City Resort Hotel. Complete with a microwave, rooms are also equipped with a refrigerator. Featuring a shower, private bathrooms also come with a hairdryer and towels. There are several dining options at Burlington Fun City Resort Hotel, including a 1950s diner or dinner and dancing at the Boogaloo Café. Catfish Bend Casino is on site and features table games, poker, slots, and more. Guests can make use of the fitness center during their stay or enjoy massage treatment and a sauna at the spa. Burlington Golf Club is 6 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.